Voice search is up 55%, visual search converting 27% better, and Google's AI overviews are rewriting page one. Are you ready for the real AI tidal wave hitting e-commerce? I'll tell you, right after this here opener, I'm going to hand the mic to an AI-narrated deep dive I scripted and fact-checked, so you get speed and accuracy. Hi, folks. I'm Alan Stafford, and this is Marketing Notes from the Binder, where we grow bold and go beyond theory. So stick with me, and you're going to learn how natural language and visual search are slashing cart abandonment, the AI assistants that cut service costs 30% and raise average order value, and 3 SEO moves to keep your products visible in an AI-first Google. And don't forget to tap subscribe for daily jargon-free tactics, and let's jump into the future of selling online.
Welcome back, everyone. If you're running a small business or you're deep in e-commerce marketing, focused on growth, well, you're in the right spot.
Absolutely. This is where we dig into practical insights that deliver results just like we aim for at marketingbinder.com.
Today, we're doing a deep dive into artificial intelligence. It's really changing the game for e-commerce, isn't it?
Oh, massively. We're pulling from recent research, expert takes, looking at AI's role across the board, search, visual tech, even those AI overviews popping up in Google.
Right. And our mission here is clear.
Yeah.
Cut through the noise and give you, the small business owner, the e-commerce marketer, the actionable stuff. How does this AI stuff actually affect you?
Exactly. We want to help you understand the impact on, how customers find you, their experience, and even making your operations run smoother. Pain points, basically.
Okay, let's jump right in then. AI-powered search and discovery. This feels like ground zero for the changes.
It really is. How customers find products online, it's undergoing a huge shift. And a big piece of this is NLU, natural language understanding.
NLU. So that's about search bars understanding, well, normal human language, not just keywords.
Precisely. Think about how you search. You might type, show me some comfy but smart trousers for work. NLU gets the intent, the nuances, comfort, smartness, work context.
And does it? Does it actually work? Like, for businesses?
Oh, yeah. The data's pretty compelling. We're seeing a 34% drop in search abandonment on sites using NLU search. People find what they want faster.
34% fewer people giving up.
Wow. A 29% increase in average order value. So they find what they want and they often buy more. That's a real win for smaller businesses trying to maximize every visitor.
That's huge. And the tech behind it must be pretty advanced.
It is. These systems handle 30 plus languages, processing thousands of unique search terms every hour. It understands complex stuff like that comfortable but stylish dresses for a summer wedding example. It gets it.
Okay, so understanding text is one thing, but search isn't just text anymore, is it?
Not at all. Multimodal search is really taking off. Think voice and visual.
Voice search. Like talking to your phone.
Exactly. Voice commerce adoption jumped 55% year over year, and the accuracy for product searches. Around 95%. People are getting comfortable just asking for what they need.
That's convenient. And visual, like searching with a picture.
Yes. And this is super relevant for anyone selling, fashion, furniture, anything visual. Accuracy is hitting 92% for recognizing products and matching styles from an image.
So I could snap a picture of a cool lamp I see somewhere.
And upload it to a retailer site to find something similar.
Yeah.
And the results. Retailers using this, especially in fashion and home, see about a 38% bump in engagement and 27% higher conversion rates.
That visual connection really works.
Yeah.
Then. Okay, what about making the experience personal? Right. AI and personalization.
Oh, this is where it gets really powerful. AI personalization engines analyze, on average, something like 1,200 data points per session.
1,200 per visitor session.
Yep. It builds this deep profile, understanding preferences, past behavior, and that leads to search results being 62% more relevant.
So customers see stuff they actually might want to buy. Not just random products.
Exactly. Which is why we see average session duration go up by 31% and bounce rates drop by 24%. People stick around longer because the experience is tailored to them.
And it keeps learning, right? It's not static.
Right. Real-time analysis means it gets better with every click, improving relevancy by another 45% over time. Great for building loyalty.
Okay, so it helps find things now. Can it predict what I might want later? Predictive analytics.
Yes, that's the next layer. AI models are crunching 150 million customer interactions daily. This helps improve overall search accuracy by 58%.
But predicting intent, how good is it?
Pretty good, actually.
Yeah.
Machine learning predicts search intent with about 89% accuracy. And that leads to a 33% increase in first-click conversions. They click the first thing they see and buy it more often.
That's efficient. And recommendations, like people who bought this also bought.
AI supercharges that. Better suggestions for complementary items, about 41% better. And that boosts average basket size by 27%. Direct impact on sales for small businesses.
One more tech term I keep hearing, semantic search. How does that fit in?
Semantic search is about understanding the meaning behind the words, not just matching keywords.
So if someone searches homecoming dress, it knows they might also mean prom dress without me manually setting that up.
Exactly. It gets the context, the intent. Saves e-commerce teams a ton of manual effort in managing synonyms and ensuring relevance.
So it makes search smarter, less literal.
Right. And often, the best approach is hybrid search, combining the speed of keyword matching with the intelligence of semantic understanding. Best of both worlds.
Okay, let's shift from finding products to actually getting help while shopping. These AI assistants.
Yeah, they're becoming much more sophisticated than the basic chatbots of a few years ago. Implementing them shows a 37% lift in customer engagement.
Engagement is good. Does it translate to sales?
It seems so. A 24% increase in average order value and a 31% improvement in customer satisfaction scores. They handle tons of interactions daily, like 15,000, and understand intent with about 84% accuracy.
That's a lot of queries handled without needing a human agent immediately. Big help for smaller teams.
Definitely. And those recommendation engines we talked about, they get even smarter here.
How so?
Analyzing purchase history boosts conversions by 29%, cuts cart abandonment by 23%. Style prediction is hitting 82% accuracy.
And what about returns? That's a killer for profits.
AI is tackling that too. Size and fit prediction tech is reducing return rates by 26%. Huge! Plus, things like budget optimization features are even improving retention by 21%.
It feels like AI is touching every part of the customer journey. What about behind the scenes, market intelligence?
Crucial area. AI-powered pricing tools analyze competitors in real time, helping improve margins by maybe 3-5%. That adds up.
And inventory. Always a challenge.
AI helps there too, reducing stockouts by 30%, improving inventory turnover by 25%. And trend prediction, getting pretty accurate 76% accuracy forecasting seasonal demand. That cuts down on carrying costs, maybe by 20%.
Better margins, fewer stockouts, less wasted inventory. That's hitting operational efficiency hard.
Absolutely. And then there's leveraging social proof.
Like reviews and social media buzz.
Exactly. AI can sift through, say, 100,000 reviews daily, analyzing sentiment with 88% accuracy. Pulling in social media trends boosts product discovery by 33%.
So using the voice of the customer, basically, scaled up by AI.
Precisely. And analyzing what the community likes enhances recommendations by another 35%. It's powerful stuff.
And the assistants themselves are evolving, more conversational.
Definitely. Next-gen assistants handle nearly 60% of initial queries successfully, and they remember the conversation context with 91% accuracy. They can even recognize emotion, which improves satisfaction by 25%.
Remembering context is key. Nothing worse than repeating yourself.
Right. And they handle multi-turn queries better, reducing journey abandonment by 22%. We're seeing businesses cut service costs by 32% while maintaining 94% satisfaction.
Wow. Cost savings and happy customers. Okay, one more area here. Visual interaction. Like virtual try-on.
Yeah, that's becoming quite effective. Virtual try-on for clothes is hitting 87% accuracy on size predictions. That helps cut apparel returns by 28%.
28% fewer returns on clothes? That's massive.
It is. And real-time visualization, like seeing how a sofa looks in your living room, that's boosting conversions by 34% in home furnishings.
So removes uncertainty.
Exactly. Plus, style recommendations improve cross-selling by 27%, and AI can even analyze the environmental context like the room you're furnishing to make suggestions 31% more relevant.
Okay, moving down the funnel, the checkout process.
Yeah.
And security. How's AI impacting that?
It's streamlining things significantly. Retailers using AI-powered checkout are seeing transaction times cut by 25% and, importantly, cart abandonment down by 30%.
Addressing that abandoned cart problem is always huge.
Definitely. These systems process hundreds of thousands of transactions daily, analyzing maybe 150 data points per transaction to make it smoother and faster.
What about filling out forms? Address verification?
AI is automating that with high accuracy. Form filling hits 92% accuracy, contributing to a 35% reduction in checkout abandonment just from that friction point. Address verification is about 95% accurate, cutting failed deliveries by 28%.
Fewer delivery issues means happier customers and lower costs.
Right. And payment optimization reduces errors by 23%, improves transaction success by 31%, just making the whole payment step smoother.
Shipping, too. Can AI help choose the best shipping options?
Yes, intelligent shipping recommendation systems are analyzing hundreds of thousands of delivery requests daily. They predict optimal methods and routes with about 85% accuracy.
What's the result?
A 22% drop in shipping-related customer service calls, 19% better delivery time accuracy. And smart routing can cut last-mile delivery costs by around 18% while keeping satisfaction high.
Okay, security. That's paramount for trust. How does AI, maybe with blockchain, help?
This is a really interesting area. Combining AI's pattern recognition with blockchain's secure ledger, well, it's creating very robust systems. They're achieving about a 95% success rate in detecting fraud incredibly quickly, under 500 milliseconds.
Fast and accurate fraud detection.
Yeah, processing maybe 1.5 million transactions daily. Machine learning spots suspicious stuff with 94% accuracy. These systems are reliable too, like 99.95% uptime, handling thousands of transactions per second.
What about verifying identity?
Advanced methods are cutting unauthorized access by 75% and speeding up verification by 45%. Smart contracts on the blockchain can even automate dispute resolution, improving efficiency by 60% and cutting manual work by 70%.
So faster, more secure, and even handles disputes better.
That's the goal. Transaction pattern analysis looks at millions of data points daily, identifying threats with 93% accuracy. Automated dispute resolution solves about 82% of cases without a human, keeping customers reasonably happy, around 88% satisfaction. Multi-factor authentication is hitting 99.8% accuracy. It all builds trust.
Okay, let's shift gears to something causing, well, maybe some anxiety. AI overviews in Google search. What's the real deal for e-commerce sites?
It's definitely a hot topic, lots of discussion, but the initial panic, it might be a bit overblown, especially for e-commerce.
Oh, why is that?
Well, early research, like from BrightEdge, shows that these AI overviews often cite websites that are already ranking well organically, often in the top 10. So good SEO still matters, maybe even more.
So if you're doing SEO right, you're still in the game to be cited.
That seems to be the case frequently. Plus, Google isn't just showing text summaries. They've already started injecting ads, like product listing ads, PLAs, into those AI overview boxes.
So there's still a path for paid visibility right within the AI answer.
Looks like it. And another key point is the type of query. Research from Ahrefs suggests most AI overviews trigger for informational searches: how to, what is, why.
Not people looking to buy something specific.
Much less often. Less than 6% seem to be for commercial intent queries, and under 5% for transactional ones. So if someone searches Nike running shoes size 10,
they're still likely to see the usual PLAs and organic product listings.
That's the expectation, yes. The AI summary might not even show up, or it won't dominate in the same way as for an informational query.
Okay, that's somewhat reassuring. What about this idea of leapfrogging? Can sites not on page 1 get cited?
Interestingly, yes. Some analysis from Surfer SEO suggests that happens about 48% of the time. If a site further down has really good, helpful, specific content answering the query, the AI might pull from it.
So quality content can potentially bypass traditional ranking order in some cases.
It seems possible, which really reinforces the need for truly valuable content.
So actionable steps for e-commerce stores. What should they be doing now?
Number 1, don't abandon good SEO. Keep creating useful, original, accurate, reliable content. Think Google's helpful content update guidelines. That's the foundation. This is exactly the stuff we emphasize at marketingbinder.com, practical, results-focused fundamentals.
The solid SEO basics are still key.
Absolutely. And focus some effort on informational content related to your products. Blog posts, guides. If you sell skincare, maybe how to build a routine for dry skin. Answer the questions your potential customers are asking.
Use AI as a tool for that content, maybe.
For sure. Great for brainstorming, drafting. But human curation is vital. Accuracy, unique details, brand voice, especially for product descriptions. AI can't replicate your unique insights about design, fabric, fit, styling tips.
Make those product pages really detailed and unique.
Yes. And keep your technical SEO sharp. Up-to-date product schema, detailed attribute tables help the machines understand your products accurately.
And keep an eye on how those PLAs are showing up in the overviews.
Definitely. Stay informed, but the main message, don't panic. Focus on quality, fundamentals, and understand that most AI answers aren't directly competing with your product listings yet.
Okay, good advice. Now, zooming out a bit, Google isn't the only search game in town anymore, especially with AI.
That's a really important point. We've got ChatGPT, Perplexity AI, Microsoft Copilot. These conversational AI platforms are becoming search destinations in their own right.
What does that mean for website owners?
While one immediate effect is you might see more bot traffic. These AI platforms need to crawl the web constantly to gather information to answer user queries.
So more bots hitting the site. But the reason people search, that fundamentally stays the same, right? They want answers, products, services.
Exactly. The way they search might change, becoming more conversational, maybe expecting a direct answer from the AI, but the underlying intent, often leading to a purchase, is still there.
So the AI acts like a kind of personal shopper, giving tailored recommendations.
That's a great analogy. It synthesizes information and might present product options directly, potentially reducing the number of clicks to individual websites for some types of queries.
So how do we ensure our stuff gets found or recommended by these AI engines? Is it still SEO?
Fundamentally, yes. The core principles remain. Good structure, crawlability, valuable content. AI search still needs to find and understand your information. The specifics of how they weigh factors might evolve, but the basics hold.
So it's about adaptation, not throwing everything out.
Precisely. Think holistically. Integrate paid and organic efforts. Monitor how search behavior is changing across all these platforms, not just Google.
Measurement might get trickier too, if people get answers without clicking.
That's a challenge, yes. Attribution models might need rethinking. How do you measure success if the AI answers the question using your content, but the user doesn't visit your site directly from that interaction? It's something the industry is grappling with.
So stay informed, stay agile.
And experiment. Don't be afraid to try things. Test how your content performs. Explore new formats. Proactive adaptation is going to be key in 2025 and beyond.
Okay, let's try and wrap this up. It's clear AI is, well, it's a huge wave hitting e-commerce, both challenges and really some massive opportunities.
Absolutely. For small businesses, for e-commerce marketers, the core message seems consistent though. Focus on providing genuine value to your customers. That means high quality content, yes, but also using these AI tools smartly to optimize the entire experience.
Make things easier, more relevant, more personal.
Exactly. And stay informed. This landscape is changing fast, so keeping up is crucial. Adaptability is key.
So on that note, let's leave our listeners with a final thought to chew on. Considering how quickly AI-powered visual search and these really advanced virtual shopping assistants are developing.
Yeah, think about that immersive potential.
How are you going to integrate these technologies? Not just bolt them on, but strategically use them to create a truly engaging, personalized experience that makes your brand stand out in what's becoming an even more crowded online world.
It's about leveraging these tools to build deeper connections and ultimately differentiate yourself. Keep exploring, keep testing, keep adapting. That's how you grow bold and go beyond.
Great stuff. Thanks for breaking that all down.
My pleasure. Lots to think about.
And we're back on camera. The AI did the data crunching. Now here's your rapid fire action list. Level up your search. Add natural language understanding, or NLU, in visual search to cut abandonment. That's cart abandonment by 34%. Deploy smart assistants, 24% average order value lift, and 31% happier customers. And we can all use happier customers, right? Try hybrid SEO playbook. Helpful content plus rich product schema keeps you cited in AI overviews. Predict and personalize. Recommendation engines boost basket 27%. Secure and streamline your checkout process. AI Fraud Scrub cuts chargebacks by 75%. So tell me, which AI upgrade feels like your quickest win? Drop it in the comments below because I reply to everybody. And if today's dive sparked ideas, hit like and share it with another hustling entrepreneur. And for more insights, sign up for the Marketing Binder Insiders newsletter, and I left a link in the description below. Until next time, grow bold, go beyond, and keep those marketing notes handy.